Students who study anthropology learn to read culture and read their own culture as well as the cultures of others. And that's an important way in which we can understand what is universal to being human and what's particular to a certain society. There's an increasing awareness in the world today that everything is connected, and that's what anthropology does. It doesn't seek to kind of seal away politics from religion, from the economy, from science. We think about this continuum where all of these things exist and coexist together. Some of the other skills that you pick up are how to read critically and to write critically and to design social research in a sensitive way and to undertake it in a kind of unique way as well, because most social anthropologists and cultural anthropologists use a methodology called ethnography, where you need to go out and live the experience that you're seeking to understand in order to be able to represent it and say something meaningful about it. Any career where you need to write well, where you need to investigate human lives, where you need to investigate a particular social problem or cultural issue is a career path where a degree in anthropology is almost indispensable. Most anthropology graduates go on either to higher education in order to become kind of professional researchers, or they work in advocacy and in international organizations. They also, most anthropologists, I would say, now work in corporations. And they do that because corporations are in a way dependent on understanding cultural patterns and values and what people want in the world, what their concerns are, and where they see themselves going.